Fintech for rural India and future trends. Fintech means using technology to provide financial services such as banking, payments, insurance, and investments. In India, fintech plays a very important role in rural development, where many people earlier had no access to banks. Earlier, villagers had to travel long distance to reach bank. Now, they can send or receive money using UPI or a basic smartphone. Fintech for rural India focuses on bringing financial services to villages using mobile phones and digital platforms. Rural areas often lack bank branches. Fintech provides services at low cost. Services can be accessed anytime and anywhere. For example, a farmer receives crop payment directly into his bank account through digital transfer. Fintech helps reduce real urban financial gap. Financial inclusion means providing banking services to everyone, especially the poor and unbanked. These services include bank accounts, loans, insurance, and digital payments. For example, under Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, zero balance accounts were opened. People received their debit cards and insurance. In short, financial inclusion improves economic quality. Digital literacy is the ability to use mobile phones, ATMs, and financial apps safely. It is important because it helps people to use UPI and banking apps. It prevents fraud and scams. It builds confidence in digital transaction. Training villagers to use PIN securely, scan QR codes, and identify fake calls or messages is really important. Digital literacy is essential for successful fintech adoption. Fintech solutions for rural India. These are the real fintech services that are being used in villages already. UPI. A villager can send and receive money instantly using UPI. AEPS. They can withdraw money using Aadhaar. Jandan accounts for basic banking access. Digital microloans. Small loans through apps. Crop insurance apps. Protection for farmers. These services improve financial access and convenience. Future of fintech in India. India's fintech sector is expected to grow rapidly. Future developments may include more digital payments, use of AI and big data, expansion into rural areas, stronger cybersecurity. For example, UPI is now accepted even by street vendors and village shops. Fintech will create more jobs and innovation. Global fintech trends. These are the trends followed worldwide. Cashless economics, open banking, blockchain based services, embedded finance. In many countries, people use pay using mobile wallets instead of cash. India is moving in the same direction. Central bank digital currency. CBDC is a digital form of a country's official currency issued by the central bank. Key points here to notice is that CBDC has the same value as the physical money. It allows legal tender and it's controlled by central bank. For example, instead of paper currency, money is stored in digital wallets by RBI. CBDC improves security and transparency. Digital rupee is India's CBDC issued by the Reserve Bank of India. The features of digital rupee are its use for online and offline payments, faster transactions, and lower cost. Digital rupee supports financial inclusion and innovation. Sustainability and green fintech. Green fintech uses technology to support environmental sustainability. The goals are reduce paper usage, encourage eco-friendly investments, support renewable energy projects. Green fintech aligns with financial environmental responsibility. Examples of green fintech. These are the practical applications of green fintech. Apps tracking carbon footprint, digital platforms for green bonds, paperless banking, AI tools for ESG analysis, crowdfunding for solar and wind projects. benefits of green fintech. It protects the environment, encourages responsible investing, improves transparency, and support long-term growth. Investing in green funds through digital platforms supports sustainable business. To summarize, we learned about fintech bridges and rural financial gaps. Financial inclusion strengthens the economy. CBDC and digital rupee shape future payments. Green fintech promotes sustainability. The future of finance is digital, inclusive, and sustainable. Thank you.